What is the difference between cash projections and financial projections? Well, it's so great about accounting. There are no mysteries. I feel like everything is in the title of the thing that we're discussing. So cash projections is exactly that. It is projections based on your cash flow of predicting what money you're starting with, what money you're ending with, after you add in cash influx and expenses or outgoing expenditures. So that's going to give you your ending cash balances. So it's going to help you predict your cash flow throughout the process. And the financial projections are based on your income statement, so your P&L report, your income and your expenses, and it helps you map out the resources that you need in order to create the business goals that you have. So if you want to double your revenue next year, what does that look like? What sort of resources do you need? What sort of skills do you need? What sort of clientele do you need? What sort of employees or contractors or software would you need? It helps you think through the business plan versus the cash flow projections. The cash flow projections just focuses on regulating what your cash is going to look like to help you fund those resources that you need for your financial projections. So it is always good to have both a cash flow and a financial projection in your business. If you're curious as to what that would look like or how you could create that for yourself or how you could work with your current bookkeeper or accountant to develop these for your company, the Finance 101 course is perfect for you. If you are ready to say, okay, I am ready to take more control of my money to predict things as opposed to just showing up and seeing what happens, being more confident in what sort of resources you'll have not only today, about 6 months from now, in order to feed into what you are building for the future of your business. This is the course for you. I don't teach you how to be a financial professional. I teach you how to lead the conversations either alongside your accountant if you're both learning together, or with your business team, or just for your general knowledge. So get ready, buckle up, here we go.